Good morning, everyone. Behind me, we're cleaning some sandblasting media. Thought I'd make a quick video and bring you guys along. This is our apparatus. We have our large safety stairs, large stainless dump hopper with a vibratory feeder on the bottom. It's gonna get a little dusty and noisy, but it is what it is. See here, we're feeding into bucket elevator leg with a trickle feed. You can adjust the feed with these FMC vibratory feeders right here. These are a Centron vibratory feeder. This is a look in the main dump hopper. You can see the nasty trash we're dealing with. Rocks, stems, leaves, you name it, we've got it. Goes up the leg, gets dispersed right into the Smyco double-deck screener. And of course it gets jiggled and screened. We're also having a dust suction. Now we're down looking at the Smyco screener. As you can see, we are using a paper poly bag hybrid. This is where all of our larger than comes out. Where it's scalped off the top, you got rocks, dirt clods, stems, things like that. We have our fines coming out the bottom. See, this is all the fine material. It's like baby powder. And here we have the clean material. This is reusable media. You can see there. Of course, we're doing an aspiration as well, pulling all the dust off the top. I'll have to turn the light on the phone so you guys can see down in the dust barrel. I'm gonna look down in the dust barrel now. See it kind of squirting around, if you can. But that has like a regular vacuum on it where it's sucked down tight because we are using paper sack on this discharge. That's creating an airlock that only lets the larger than parts trickle out the bottom. You can see it's sucked flat. Here's a better look at the trickle feed we have going. We have a large pre-screen. This catches everything larger than. No need to be screening that stem, things like that. And a large rock, no need to be screening that. That just goes in the bucket for redistribution later on. System works really, really well. We're working on our second tote bag of the day. So again, I just want to go over the flow of the machine. This stainless hopper is designed to dump your skid steer bucket in or large tote bin. It goes right onto the Centron vibrating conveyor, which is controlled by these FMC controls. Jiggles into the bucket elevator leg, goes up to the top of the Smyco. We're continually pulling dust throughout the entire system, of course. Goes down, falls through the first screen of the Smyco, rides on the second screen, which is where we get our discharge here, of course. Then anything larger than the product we want comes out this top chute, and then anything finer than the product that we want comes out right here. You can see it's kind of a dusty, dirty job, but this is how we do it. Cleaning sandblasting media. Kind of a nice little homebrew setup, and it's all modular. As soon as we're done, there's another shop going to use it after we are done with it. All of these stands have fork holes in them, so we keep everything modular. We can put this on our trailers and haul it right down the road. This is modular. You can fork it from either side. And of course the large Smyco screener sifter is modular as well with fork holes. That's kind of the whole shooting match. Works really, really well for our application. I think with all of that said, we'll go ahead and wrap the video up right here. If you would, please like, share, and subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time.